Hey little explorers, welcome to LittleGloomZ. Today, we are going on a wild adventure to meet the most amazing animals on the planet. Are you ready? Let's go. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle, with a roar so powerful it can be heard from 8 kilometers away. Tiger. The tiger is the world's largest wild cat, and no 2 tigers have the same stripes. Elephant. The elephant is the largest land animal on Earth, and it never, ever forgets. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal alive, racing up to 120 kilometers per hour. Wolf. Wolves live in family packs and howl at the moon to talk to each other. Bear. Bears are so powerful, they sleep through the entire winter in a deep, cozy hibernation. Giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest animal on Earth, tall enough to peek over the treetops. Zebra. Every zebra has its own unique stripes, just like our fingerprints. No 2 are the same. Rhino. The rhinoceros has a massive horn made of the same stuff as your fingernails. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus spends its whole day chilling in rivers to escape the blazing African heat. Crocodile. Crocodiles are ancient creatures that have roamed the earth since the time of the dinosaurs. Jaguar. The jaguar is the king of the rainforest and loves swimming in the river. Fox. The fox is one of the cleverest animals in the wild, always outsmarting everyone around it. Deer. Deer are graceful and gentle, leaping through forests with incredible speed and elegance. Hyena. Hyenas may laugh, but they are fierce and fearless hunters of the African savanna. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are our closest animal cousins, and they are smart enough to use tools. Gorilla. The gorilla is the biggest and gentlest giant in the entire animal kingdom. Kangaroo. Kangaroos carry their tiny babies in a cozy pouch and can leap 9 meters in one jump. Antelope. Antelopes are lightning-fast runners that zoom across the grasslands to escape predators. Jackal. Jackals are loyal and clever wild dogs that mate for life and hunt as a perfect team. Wow, what an amazing wild adventure! Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next adventure. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye!